Okay, just wanted to go through some of the aspects of maths today to give you a little bit of a helping hand. So you'll recognise hopefully these comparison symbols, less than, greater than and equals to. I just wanted to go through how we had approached this in class to jog your memory. Now we saw these symbols as crocodiles, so I would encourage you to draw little, if you remember, little eyes and maybe some little teeth as well, because the crocodile always eats the bigger number, and that's what helps us to remember which order these go in. So for example, you might have 6 is less than 8. You can see the crocodile eating the bigger number here. This comparison symbol is greater than. So again, if we pop some eyes and some teeth on him to see him as a crocodile, and a crocodile is always going to eat the greater number. So we might have 7 is greater than 5. Okay? Equals you'll be more familiar with, but sometimes you'll be asked to do something like this. 6 is equals to 3, add 3, for example. Both sides are equal, but there might be some calculating for you to do on one of those sides. Moving on then to our 2 times table, I've just drawn some arrays there to help us to explain this next bit. So when we're using comparison signals with these arrays, I would encourage you to probably draw out your arrays like this. I think it's easier for you to be able to see. I'm not saying you have to do it like that, but this is how I would be encouraging you to do it in the classroom. So, for example, I've got 10 times 2 here, okay, so I've got 10 lots of 2. And if I wanted to draw out some different comparison sentences, I might do this, for example. So I'm going to section this one out, and here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of 2, okay? Leaving me with 4 lots of 2. And I can see immediately that 6 lots of 2 is greater than 4 lots of 2. It's a bigger amount. Crocodile eating the bigger number. Okay. Now, one of the questions, asks you to find different ways of showing 10 multiplied by 2. So I've got my 10 lots of 2 here again. I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you could do that. So you might have, for example, 3 lots of 2, and then you might have 3 lots of 2, add 4 lots of 2, add 3 lots of 2 equals 10 lots of 2. Okay, a simpler way of doing that, we could have 5 lots of 2, add 5 lots of 2 equals 10 lots of 2. Okay, so just I'll zoom out a little bit for you to see more of that. So it is much easier to see if you draw out your maths. We always talk about drawing out your maths. If you draw out your maths and then you can organise them into arrays, so you've got your lots of 2s here, and then you can easily show what different sections you've got. Okay, guys. Good luck with that one.